All right, hey everyone, welcome to another deep dive. You know, we like to keep our fingers on the pulse of all things tech.
Absolutely.
And today, we're gonna be taking a peek into the future.
Ooh.
It is, believe it or not, almost 2025.
I can't believe it.
I know, right? Time flies.
It really does.
But speaking of flying, we've got some gadgets coming out that are gonna make you feel like you're living in a sci-fi movie.
Oh, I love that.
So we're doing a deep dive on, get this, 10 trending gadgets
Okay, I'm ready.
of 2025. So if you are looking for some gift ideas, or maybe just want to treat yourself, then you have come to the right place.
Let's go.
All right, let's jump right in. First up, we have,
Mind-blowing.
speaking of small and powerful, we've got a wireless charger, but not just any wireless charger.
Okay, tell me more.
This is the INIU Wireless Charger, and it has adaptive light technology.
Adaptive light.
That means it won't mess with your sleep if you charge your phone on your nightstand.
Oh, that's interesting.
Right, because you know how, like, the blue light can keep you awake.
Yeah, it can disrupt your sleep patterns.
Exactly.
So this charger is designed to minimize that blue light emission at night.
Exactly, so you can get a good night's sleep.
That's a great feature, especially with how much we rely on our phones before bed.
Totally agree. All right, next up,